Guangzhou Sanpai Auto Accessories Co., Ltd., the production base for automotive TPE floor mats under Guangzhou Mipi, is located in Huadu Automobile City, Guangzhou. Covering a plant area of over 30,000 square meters, we specialize in the full industrial chain of automotive TPE products, including floor mats, carpet surfaces, trunk mats, and backrest pads. We conduct independent operations throughout the entire process: 3D scanning, product design, mold manufacturing, and mass production. We adopt 4 core production processes: injection molding, vacuum forming, sheet extrusion, and carpet lamination. Our annual output reaches 1,000 sets of molds and 2 million sets of finished products. We have established a scientific quality management system and obtained IAT 16949 certification. We exclusively use brand new, eco-friendly TPE raw materials. As an OEM manufacturer for many well-known brands, we provide comprehensive services including customized product R&D, design, and mold processing. Equipped with advanced equipment, sophisticated technologies, and an experienced professional team with diverse technical expertise, we deliver professional, efficient one-stop services across the entire industrial chain to bring you an excellent product experience.